Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is Geometry Part 2. Geometry Part 2 Chapter 14. Okay, Geometry Part 2 Chapter 14 and lecture number 25, HW number 24. Dear student, these characteristics is not included in your book, but this type of question will come in the next class, that means in class 5. So today I will discuss this type of questions, okay, and this is very important for you. Look, today I will teach you some characteristics of triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and isosceles triangle. Okay, dear student, you know what is triangle? A triangle is a figure which is bounded by three sides. Okay, dear student, you know. Okay, at first I will draw the triangle figure. Look, you draw the triangle figure. Okay, and give the name A, B and C. Okay, dear student, we know a triangle is bounded by three sides. A triangle is bounded by three sides and sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, sum of the three angles make 180 degree. Okay, dear student, now we see the characteristics. You see at first in the figure ABC is a triangle. Characteristics, it is bounded by three line segments. You see 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so triangle is bounded by three sides or three line segments. Okay, three line segments. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means what? Suppose this angle and this angle. In total, these three angles make 180 degree angle. Okay? In total, these three angles make 180 degree angles. 3 number, the sum of the two sides. The sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, suppose you see the sum of the two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, suppose you adding AC angle plus BC angle, then suppose you add AC side and BC side, then AC side and BC side is must be greater than the AB side. Okay, I hope you understood about triangle. Now I will discuss equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, the triangle whose every angle the triangle whose every sides, that means the three sides are equal. Okay, then that triangle is called equilateral triangle. That means the three sides are equal. Okay, look, suppose we have taken a line segment. You see, I have taken a line segment. Okay, suppose I have taken a line segment. Okay, now how can you count? Look, you place like this way, then look and adding this. Okay, Now you join the points. Look, you join the points. Like this way you join. Okay, that means the A, B and C. Okay, in the figure A, B, C is an equilateral triangle. You see AC side equal to BC side equal to AB side. All the three sides are equal. That means you can represent like this way. This means all the sides are equal. That means AB side equal to BC side equal to AC side. Okay, and you see the every angles are also equal. Look, now you see the characteristics. Every sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Okay, every angles of an equilateral triangle are equal. That means each angle is 60 degree. That means this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 60 degree. 3 number condition, each angle of an equilateral triangle are acute angle. Suppose this is must be acute angle triangle because all the angles are less than 90 degree. Okay, so this is obviously acute angle. Okay, so I have written here is angle of an equilateral triangle are acute angle. Okay, what is meant by acute angle? Acute angle means that every angle is less than 90 degree. It may be 35 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree. That means less than 60 degree, less than 90 degree. Okay, less than 90 degree. Okay, now I will teach you what are the characteristics of isosceles triangle. Dear student, what is isosceles triangle? The triangle whose at least two sides are equal, then we say that triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay, the triangle whose at least two sides are equal, then we say that triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay, look, at first you draw a line segment. Okay, you draw a line segment. Then look, you see and okay, now you have to join this. You have to join also you join dear student, you see, you write here A, B and C. This side and this side are equal. Dear student, you see in the figure ABC is an isosceles triangle and you see AB side and AC sides are equal. Okay, AB sides and AC sides are equal. Okay, that means in the isosceles triangle at least two sides are equal. So I will say this triangle is isosceles triangle. Now what are the characteristics? What are the characteristics? Two sides are equal of an isosceles triangle. You see, that means AB side and AC sides are equal. two sides are equal of an isosceles triangle. Okay, 2 number condition or characteristics, corresponding angles opposite to their sides are equal. Okay dear student, that means what? Suppose you see AC side and AB side are equal, then their corresponding angles, that means C angle and the B angle are equal. Okay, 3 number condition or characteristics, perpendicular drawn to the third side. Suppose you will see this is the third side, perpendicular drawn to the third side from the corresponding vertex will bisect the third side. Okay, perpendicular drawn to the third side from the corresponding vertex will bisect the third side. You see, A is the vertex point, B is the vertex point, C is the also vertex points. Okay, now I will discuss about the Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, that means what? What is Isosceles triangle? The triangle whose every sides are unequal. Understood? The triangle whose every sides are unequal, that means not equal. Okay, then that type of triangle is called Isosceles triangle. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood. Now I will draw the Isosceles triangle. Okay, and give the name ABC. ABC. Dear student, you see the carefully, you see the picture. AB side, BC side, AC side, all are unequal. Okay, all are unequal. So this type of triangle is called Isosceles triangle. Okay, already I have told some characteristics in the definition. Okay, now see, it has no equal sides. As it has no equal side, so obviously it has no equal sides. 2 number, it has no equal angles. It has no equal angles. That means every angles are unequal. 3 number, the angles inside this triangle can be acute or obtuse or right angle. Dear student, what is meant by this? That means this angle may be right angle or acute angle. Suppose, dear student, you think, suppose this is my acute angle, obtuse angle, okay, or maybe right angle also. But remember, the no equal side, it has no equal sides and it has no equal angle also. Okay, suppose one angle is 90 degree, then another angle is 90 degree. No, it is not possible. Another angle is different. All the angles are different. Similarly, all the sides are different. Okay dear student, I hope you understood our topic. Now I will talk with you about our HW. You see HW number 24, you see HW number 24, one number, write 3 characteristics with figure of triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and isosceles triangle. Okay, dear student, your assigned HW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your HW copy you will get your city marks, daily marks and SBA marks. You have to submit all of your HW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. And you collect these HW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these 8 yellow copies. Dear student, no more today. I hope you understood today's discussion and today's topic. Keep practicing at home and avoid by your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.